If you have anxiety and you want it to stop, you need to watch this whole video. This will change your life if you start applying it today. First of all, I want you to start viewing anxiety symptoms and negative thoughts as messages from the subconscious. The subconscious is trying to get your attention. It's trying to let you know it's scared, something is wrong, we are not safe, get out of here. I'm going to make your chest hurt. I'm going to make your head hurt. I'm going to make you get shortness of breath. I'm going to give you fight or flight symptoms. So you will leave this environment or this situation, whether it be work, social settings, the grocery store, whatever it is, so that you will leave and be safe, right? The subconscious is trying to do you a favor. It's trying to tell you leave right now. And that's what these symptoms are. They are messages indicating the subconscious is scared. So the first step to this hack, whenever you have symptoms or negative thoughts, ask yourself, am I making my subconscious feel safe? Am I making my subconscious feel safe? So you're going to answer yes or no. For a lot of you, you're going to say no, I'm freaking out right now. Or no, I'm checking my vitals. No, I'm on Google. No, I'm running out of this grocery store. So it forces you to hold yourself accountable. So at the end of the day, it's almost like you can't complain about anxiety or the symptoms or the panic or the negative thoughts because you asked yourself, am I making my subconscious feel safe? No, I am responding in fear. No, I am bolting out of the store. No, I'm checking my vitals. I'm Googling. I'm doing all the wrong stuff. No wonder my subconscious was screaming at me today via these panic attacks. I didn't make my subconscious feel safe. And indirectly, when you respond in fear and you keep doing this, guys, you are saying, and I know you guys don't mean it, but you're saying, please keep giving me chest pain when I get in the car. Please keep giving me chest pain and headaches whenever I go into a store so I'll get the hell out of there. That's what you're doing indirectly. And then it becomes a habit of the subconscious and these associations start to, to multiply, to spread. Your subconscious is just trying to help you. It's trying to tell you to leave. This is not safe. Because consciously, you've told it that that place isn't safe or this environment isn't safe. So it's just trying to remind you every time you go back. So now we have to prove to the subconscious that these situations, these triggers, these places are safe. That there is nothing wrong. That these symptoms that you're giving me, subconscious, they're not justified. I don't need them. We're just here at work. I'm just driving. We're okay, subconscious. Things are good. So what do you have to do next? Now you have to actually change your response and back up what you're saying. If you're going to say that things are okay, that things are safe, follow it up with your actions. Stop avoiding. Stop running. Stop responding in fear. Stop seeking external reassurance. Stop checking your vitals. Does a healthy person check their vitals? No. Does a healthy person constantly Google symptoms? No. Does a healthy person make doctor appointment after doctor appointment after doctor appointment? No. Make your subconscious feel safe by backing it up with your actions. And this is the hard part because it takes time to regain the trust of your subconscious. You've told your subconscious time and time again that these situations, these circumstances are dangerous. So it's going to take some time, even when you start doing the right thing, to get your subconscious to believe you. To believe you when you say things are safe. To believe you whenever you say you accept anxiety for the symptoms and that there's not a physical problem. But it takes time to get that trust back. So start doing this today and be consistent. The longer you put this off and the longer you respond in a bad way, the harder it's going to be for your subconscious to get on the same page. It's going to be harder for your subconscious to feel safe and it's going to take more time. So stop waiting. If you want more help with your recovery, if you want to start this process today, check out my course, Elite Anxiety Bootcamp. I want it to change your life. It's changing so many others' lives right now. So be a part of that. Like this video if you got value. Subscribe if you're new. And until next time, guys, I love you all. Have a happy Valentine's Day.